ngayong araw, yung gagawin ko lang naman is baklas ka lahat para makita ko din yung frame kung kailangan nating i-repaint. So yun, may nakausap na kasi akong magpipintura. Blue pa rin naman, pero hindi na gantong blue, para di na ako magpa-change color. So yun mga par, since ano naman yung piyesa na natin, halos 50% meron na tayo ng piyesa na ikakabit. Mags, disc brake, ganun. Sa brake system na lang ako nagkukulang, sa caliper tsaka sa yung master pump na malaki, 17mm ba yun? Yun, basta yun. So yung plano natin ito, kagaya ng anong sinabi ko, circuit concept. Di ko naman sinasabing 100% na magagaya natin yung mga circuit concept ng mga malulupit. Kahit at least 50% lang yung magaya natin, magkaroon lang siya ng tindig na. So yun mga par, babaklasin ko lang yung buong kaha. Then yun, sana maging maganda yung kalabasan ng napili kong kulay. Alright. So ito na yung motor natin mga par. Yan. Natanggal ko na yung mga kaha, lahat, pati yung harness. Ayun yung harness. Yan, napakadumi. Hindi ko lang alam kung may budget, baka palitan ko yung harness, yung bago. So yan. Ito. Yan. Muntik na mabulok yung motor. Muntik na mabulok. So yung gagawin ko dito mga par, yung frame, ako na lang yung magpipintura. Gamitan ko na lang siguro ng samurai, tapos kapalan ko lang siguro yung pintura, tapos maayos sa primer. Yung makina naman, yung mag-aayos nito yung tropa. Yan. Tapos all stock ulit, hindi ako magkakarga, all stock lang, pang daily lang, pang araw-araw lang naman. Tapos yan, ito, sunog na din yung ano, hindi ako nagkakamali, papunta sa magneto. Ito, sunog na. Nabaha siguro to. So yun mga par, yun yung update natin sa motor. So medyo matagal-tagal pa talaga to bago mabuo natin.
Needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
So yun mga par, galing na ako ng hardware. So ito yung mga nabili ko. Medyo mahal nga lang kumpara sa Shopee. Yan, 189, ito lang 189. Ito 24 kada isa, dalawa. Yung nabili ko nga, number 180 yan, 1,000 dapat, kaso wala. Tinamad na ako maghanap. So yan, strip sole 150. Nakalimutan ko magkano to. Ito 60. Mura lang to eh. Ang mahal dito sa amin. Yan lang, nasa 500 na, yan lang. Yan lang yung nabili ko, nasa 500 na yan. Wait. So yung mga party, mula na natin to. Strip na natin to. Paparating na yung pintura natin ngayong araw. So yan mga party, simulan na natin. Baby, you get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares.
never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead.
So yun mga par, ito na, natanggal na natin yung pintura. Pero may mga tira pa naman na unti-unti na lang. Yan. Wala na kasi ang ano eh, naubos yung strepsil natin. Dapat pala dalawa yung binili ko. So yan, yung gagawin ko na lang, grind na lang, gagrinderin ko na lang to. Yung pang bapping, parang pang bapping, hindi ko alam ang tawag dun. Tapos yung wire brush, yun na lang yung gagamitin ko dyan. So yun, paano na ulit mga par.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
Ito na par yung ating frame na ano ko na steel brush ko na yung iba. So di siya ganun kalinis, pero pwede na. Ito hindi na pintura yan, yung sa welding na yan. So ito may pintura dito. Tinatamad na akong ano yun eh, tukutin eh. Yan. Halos yan, malinaw na ulit yung chassis number. Yan mga par, pupunasan ko na lang, tapos subukan ko kung malalagyan ko ng primer ngayong araw. Hapon na kasi, punasan ko lang mga par. So yung mga par, bukas ko na lang pipinturahan to para makalkal ko pa yung mga nasa sulok-sulok ng pintura. Tsaka para at least ma-prepare natin ng maayos. Sayang lang din kasi ng pintura kung tutuklap lang din, tapos sayang din ang pagod natin. So yun, pag bukas na lang yung pintura nito, pa sana maganda yung panahon bukas para mapinturahan to. Yan. Pero unti na lang naman yung ano, yung sisimutin. Yan, yung mga ganyan-ganyan na lang, mga hindi nasilip. Yan, bukas madali na lang yan. Tapos bukas pintura na din. So yun lang mga parang ganito lang muna yung video natin. Alright.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
Yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.